Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, North Coast T here. Today we're working on a 2017 Chevy Express.
And where are we?
More specifically, replacing a headlight. Tools needed for this job, just one, Phillips screwdriver. And then you'll need a headlight. This is the Sylvania, and that's a part number, got it from AutoZone. It's a pretty simple job, you don't even have to open the hood for this one. Just above the headlight, you'll see a groove here, and one on this end. There's two Phillips screws. There's actually four that hold this metal ring in that goes around, but you only need to take out the top two. So let's get those out. I did open the hood just so get a good set of screws. There's the two screws. They're just held in this metal ring, and then it leans forward and you can pull the headlight out. Lean the metal forward to pull it out, and then unplug it. And that's it. And then take your new headlight, put it all back in the reverse order. Hardest part about this job is getting the headlight out of the box for some reason. Whatever. So you just kind of maneuver it back in there, set it in place, make sure it works, and then put your screws back in. You're all set. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you have a great day.